Tangke Nature Spring is located in a remote area in Juban, Sorsogon. It is a spring place of Sitio Marios, Bacolod, Juban that only the locals know. Before reaching this natural spring, you must ride a motorcycle and cross muddy terrain during rainy season. We are lucky that the sun showed up today. However, you should not be disappointed for the long rides and walks. The place you are about to see is satisfying. Upon stepping the resort, we were greeted by the enchanting beauty of its natural surroundings. The spring's crystal clear water and calm ambience are incredibly refreshing and create a tranquil atmosphere for visitors to enjoy. We got lucky today to interview one of the co-owner of the resort, Miss Annalyn Graho Tamayo, to explain to us how Tangke started and become well-known. Despite being in a secluded location, the resort is easily accessible. Just a short 1.2-kilometer motorcycle ride from the main road, or a simple 15 to 20 minutes walk. Tangke came from the Spanish word tangke, which is a large container used as a storage of water. Their ancestors used to get their water supply here and share it with other natives. This is where the name Tangke Nature Spring Resort originated, according to Miss Annalyn. According to her, the resort started during pandemic last 2020. With the help of her siblings, they renovate and beautify the place by putting different species of plants, trees, and rock formations. Many locals from nearby started to visit, and through word of mouth, social media posts, it becomes popular. Miss Annalyn invited everyone to visit Tangke Spring Resort to experience the crystal clear spring water and to relax while sightseeing the beauty of nature. Tangke Nature Spring Resort is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, with an entrance fee of 20 to 25 pesos. They also have Nipa cottages for rent for only 600, including grilling area if you want to stay a little bit longer. It's becoming popular and trending in social media. A paradise that is not hidden no more. Tangke Nature Spring Resort is worth the ride.